Okay, today we're going to take a look at this 2018 Suzuki GSXs 1000. It's in blue. We're going to grab a camera and take a close look around the bike for you. Right, let's go and grab a close look at this bike. Get a good detailed look all over it. There's only one owner from new. I've done super low mileage on this. It has had a full HPI check and a full government mileage check. Everything's clear on that. And there is a spare key in the book pack. Really nice bright blue and black metallic. It's got the big Brembo brakes on this. Obviously ABS on it. Everything looking good on this, tyres are looking good. It is also data tagged. As you can see, everything's spotless on the engine and the frame. Paintwork as well. Chain and sprocket in excellent condition. Take a look up at the seat as well. Again, excellent condition on the seat. Got the tank protectors on there. Let's grab a look round the back. Everything nice and tidy there. Tyres in excellent condition. Let's have a look over on the right hand side of the bike. Close up look at the rear shock there. You will notice it's got the little pegs for a paddock stand, so if you want to use a paddock stand on it, you can. Take a closer look over on this side. Everything's spotless. Just a bit of water on there from when it's been brought down. What we'll do now is we'll go and take a close look up at the dash and the controls, and we'll grab the exact mileage off it for you. Right, let's have a look at the controls. Usual, you've got your kill switch, your hazards on this side, and your starter. Over, got fully adjustable reach on the lever as well. 6-point adjustment on there. And over on the left hand side, you've got your pass light, your mode and select, which is for the dash. You've got your indicators and your horn. As you can see, it's got the Renthal fat bars on as well. So if we turn the ignition on, let's grab the mileage. As you can see, it's 1,146 miles, so super low mileage. You can see there the traction control. Now you'll select this with the mode button, so that's selected, and then move that up and down. So there's 3 settings on that, so you got 3, 2, 1, and then off as well. Okay, let's start this up and listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more information on this bike, or if you want any more close-up photographs or videos, we can do that for you. Send it to you over on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dave or Dawn a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.